In head injury support, I found the building bricks to rebuild my life. It has become an extension of my home and family. It is my place to make, create, and to just be me. Through head injury support, I have met more than 90 survivors of traumatic brain injury, whose lives, just like mine, changed without warning. This is our safe place, a place where we regain lost skills and learn to adapt and deal with the challenges we face. A place where everyone understands and supports without judgment. Head injury support is there for all of us 4 days a week and some Friday evenings, and for our families and carers who are so often forgotten, and to offer the support and counselling that they also need. We need your help and support to keep our doors open.
Head Injury Support is an amazing facility based in Newry City with 20 years of experience in supporting survivors of traumatic brain injury. They currently have 90 survivors from across the Southern Trust area, people of all ages, genders and from every background and community. To sustain and further develop this Centre of Excellence, they need your help. I am asking everyone to come along to Safe Fuels and Shane O'Neill's Football Club Camlough on Saturday the 14th of June from 1 p.m. to join in their fundraising truck and tractor show. And a huge thanks from everyone in Head Injury Support.
On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road.